The acers are lovely. They are plants good for shade, these ones. And the leaves just makes them look so gorgeous. I'm gonna be getting one of them today. Just showing you what's available. So the acers are very appealing. I've got this one. That's the one I have at home. But I'm thinking of getting another. I already have this emerald leaves. I like the leaves. It's serrated. Got the orange, which although the leaves look green from the picture here, it looks like the veins remains green, and around the leaves get some reddish brown color, which makes it beautiful. And then we've got, which other one? There are 4 different types here. Yeah, this one. They all grow between 175 centimeters tall to 200. This one is 175 centimeters tall. It grows in height, so that gives you an indication of where to put it in the garden. And then we've got the orange jewel that grows up to, it's also 150